Hi all, so to begin, enter your 6-digit PIN number into the login screen. Once you're in, it will ask you to connect the Bluetooth probe. Simply turn on the probe and then hit connect in the device list menu. Wait for the orange light to appear on the top of the Bluetooth probe to indicate a connection has been made, and just make sure that the serial number on the back of the device matches the one on the screen. We can then add new form and select the cooking temperature record sheet. Once we hit save, that form will appear within our digital clipboard and we can click open form. Start by inputting the unit name and the location. We can then click add new row and begin inputting the information. Starting with food items, select from the drop down or begin typing to help you select the right item. We can then input the date, number of portions, start time, finish time. This can also be completed at a later date if the finish time is unknown. You can then click the blue Bluetooth icon and the core temperature, which is automatically displayed on your digital handheld probe, will then also appear within the app. We can then click add a new row if there is multiple different food items. There is no limit to the number of rows you can add per form. Similarly, carry on inputting the information needed. Click the blue Bluetooth icon whenever you need to probe anything, and the display temperature on the Bluetooth probe itself will be displayed in the app. You can then sign your initials in the signature box to confirm who took the readings. Once the form is complete, a manager can then date and sign it at the bottom of the page. We can then move to the approval stage by clicking the green approve button in the bottom right hand corner. Firstly, create a digital signature. Simply click digital signature and input your name, and this will print your name and a timestamp along with it. The next step is to use your PIN number to sign off the form, and this will then create the PDF printout containing all the temperatures we've taken. The sign-off process can only be completed using a manager's PIN number. A digital copy of the PDF will be automatically sent to your manager, and we can also see that in the digital clipboard the form has now been approved. We can also view the PDF within the digital clipboard at any time for future reference.